Whoppers, 4 fries.
Hold on.
Steven! Oh, hell, that is disgusting.
I gotta fart.
Yeah. I just farted. Oh, I farted. I farted again on the I farted on the channel.
I guess we know who fucking farted.
No, don't stop it.
This ain't a good advert for the joint, is it?
Oh, get on. I don't get paid enough for this. Why?
Mamma mia.
Gibi yıldızlara hedef alacağım. Manşet manşet.
Oh, jag har en knopp.
What?
Jag bara whisky.
Cos'è successo?
There we go. I heard an error needed to get out. Oh, come on, the back end.
Okay. We're still alive.
You can't stop me.
The open side.
Give her.
Oh, you.
And Jetzt!
Cette fois-ci.
Putain, mais j'ai pas. J'ai mangé quoi?
Ik zie... Queer. Lars. Het was echt een Oh mijn god.
Que coisa. Você e a tia. Amor, mas. Cara. E o que ele vai falar? O quê? Nossa, eu quero. Essa dúvida. Qualquer coisa que você faz. Campeonato.
Oh my god!
What? Bro.
That was on camera.
Why would you?
You do it all
Now
the
your
time.
turn.
No, I don't want to.
Do it.
Go get a shower.
First one out.
I got your birthday present.
Oh, we should all.
What was that?
Kaya. I'm walking here. You want to close the video?
Oh, the noises.
And I
Are you gonna?
care. There's farts everywhere.
Can't stop.
Perfect. Hold on, got some gas.
Oh my god.
There's that. Protein fart coming up. There you go. So oh fuck. Anyway, guys, I've just recorded. Nice, man. I'm gonna leave that in as well because we're proud of the fucking gas. We are. I'm saying, bruh, we're proud of it. British gas.
Ah, sí.
Vamos a cagar. Por cierto, espera. Ahora, maravilla. De nada. Tengo gas ahí, ¿no? Pero... Oh, yeah, baby. ¿Os ha gustado? Es lavado. Por cierto. Oh, eso no os lo espero. Similar, pero para... Oh,
Też te studio... Kto z...
Na fejsie płyną na memach z tobą. Mniej więcej tak.
Myślane. Mniej takich chłamów jak te nasze wspólne.
Smaków. Starego hotela.
Temu i wychodzi.
I co?
Ja ci wybieram, bo ja nie patrzę.
Ale gdzie? Może nie być prąd.
Dobra. Chrzanu. Dzięki.
Wszędzie. Sportowo i zdrowo. To jest nasze hasło.
Wyszło.
Ostatnich miesięcy.
Nie.
Irgendwas anzutun dann.
Bin bewusst anspannen. Boah. Nee. Boah.
Jetzt wird some old.
Verdauungsgeräusche raus. Hör mal zu. Liebe.
Was macht der Johnny?
Ja.
Warte. Okay.
Pupsen.
Treißips? Oh, die sie runter.
Ein bisschen Müsli, ne? Mensch.
Thank you. There we go.
Did you remember the campsite?
Hang, so.
So I'm just gonna dig right in.
Egg in.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Excuse me. Oh.
Fully in this sleep.
It's extremely wet too.
I agree.
Yeah, this hasn't been down long.
Water.
Don't need to put. Oh, there's the bean.
What?
I mean, out of your shoes. Oh, those morning toots.
Excuse me. Hit him up on YouTube. Chili. Oh. Oh. Before I even
Say.
with the water right there. It's a rig.
It also makes you push out farts.
Oh, that was a pre-dinner fart.
Farting is what I'm doing. Some over there. Ooh, that was great. Oh yeah.
Stew.
Do. Put a little love in your fart.
Whoops. Sorry. I will. Anyone want to come inside my tent for the night?
I heard you in there last.
I just farted. I just farted again.
The coney.
Oh. Yeah, appreciate that.
Not a failure.
That's 10. I just farted. Boop. Sorry. Boop. 110. Wow. I'm about this. I'm not lying about this crap. My stomach always hurts, and I don't know why.
Justin.
Well, my stomach's upset.
Down the hatch. You'll be.
Ooh. Was that him or you?
60 minutes.
Ooh.
Just fart.
I farted. My stomach's a mess.
Who's next? Show us.
It's making my stomach.
Garrett, Justin knows.
Justin, no fart on camera. Yeah.
Yeah, it hurts real.
Oh.
You got your 8.
Cheat. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I told you not to trust.
I don't want to forward that. Oh. You better watch it, stud.
You just said he.
I'm gonna turn. You got Crack Creek running? You want to dumb it?
I got a crap. Oh, thanks. What was that?
I didn't get that PRD this morning. God.
And you might hear something like this. I don't know what's more impressive, that I got this bike to the top or that I just didn't shit myself.
The Evoc. Excuse me. And guess what?
I'm sorry. Oh, I just farted my ass. Oh, fucking farted. Oh! I hope the camera got that. Did you hear that duck?
Whole front of the
Yeah. And you guys hear that? What's that? Oh. Oh yeah.
Right? Oh my gosh.
That's gonna make the edit for sure. Woo! Oh, but that's way better. Oh, I just got one more step. Oh, first trail fart in a while. Here. That was a fart.
Yep.
Oh. Oh. You hear that duck?
Blowout City this morning.
Oh yeah. You like that? Oh, more where that came from.